Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this quick and easy updo. To start, I'm going to divide the hair in half, and starting on that left hand side I'm going to divide this section in half again, and then all we're going to do is secure each section into a little ponytail. So you should have two on the left hand side, and then just repeat it on the right hand side so you have 4 ponytails. Apply some texture spray over the top of the head and pinch and pull the crown for more volume and texture. I'll pop the products I'm using in the description below. Now taking ponytail number 1 on the left hand side, I'm going to twist it towards the head, miss a ponytail out and join it to ponytail number 3 with a clear elastic band. Then I'm going to take the ponytail on the far left hand side, twist it towards the head, again miss a ponytail out and join it to the ponytail on the far right hand side. Add some texture spray all over your ponytails and then just slip a couple of bobby pins through the centre of those twists. With the remaining ends I'm just going to grab them and twist them both together, securing them with a clear elastic band, but on the last turn only pull the ends part way through to make a loop. And now I'm just going to take my fingers and insert them behind the twist on the left hand side. Pass that loop to your fingers and pull it all the way through. Then just secure that twist at the top and sides with a couple of bobby pins. Then I'm going to take my fingers again and I'm going to pop it behind the twist at the top right hand side. Grab the tail ends and pull them all the way through, and then just tuck that little loop behind the twist at the top. Then just secure it all the way round with a few more bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.